to Antelope Island. I'm here accompanied by Jared.
Okay, what did the buffalo say to his son before he left for school? Bye, son.
And John is here, and Natalie's here! This is Natalie from California. We've been friends forever. Oh my god, I think I see them. The gnats are here.
Oh no, there's one in your hair.
So we're standing in a little field of cotton. This sparring training.
Oh my gosh. We're now walking up to Ladyfinger Point, which is this little piece of land over here. It looks beautiful. Oh my god, so many gnats. I can't talk much because I'm gonna get gnats in my mouth. People aren't actually waving, they're just... This is horrible.
It's at least super pretty here, minus all the gnats, if you can get your mind away from them.
Yeah, I can't.
Oh my god, I see it, I see it.
Oh my god! I'm getting my summer feet ready. It's not because I fell in a swamp. Yeah, we're not waving, we're swapping.
Alright, everyone's having a slight mental breakdown because of the gnat. Jared's screaming.
Scratch my head, I've never done this before.
Jack is like 500 gnats on his feet.
Yep.
And John's running away as fast as he can for his life.
Oh
bye, John! There is an antelope on the beach. Look at him. Alright, let's go walk closer to him. That does not look attractive. Behind me, Natalie's being super brave and walking to our little mini island in this really murky water. Shoes are coming off, I'm coming with her. Ah, it's not cold, but it is gross. I'm standing in the middle of the Great Salt Lake. Look, the boys finally made it!